The dearth in the IPO market has really given secondary markets an opportunity. What happens as momentum increases in the IPO market?
Yeah, it's interesting. I think, so what really happened is the secondary market as sort of an institution was catalyzed by the problems in the markets, the M&A market and the IPO market, the exit markets in general. And so that's what got everybody looking at the secondary market. Now what's actually driving volume in the secondary market is the markets, the IPO market, for example, picking back up. So what we've seen is, in the last 2 months, we've seen about 80% of our total volume for the year trade. So we've had, about $100 million in securities trade in the last 2 months versus, $25 million for the other months of the year.
Do you think that the momentum that we started seeing at the end of 2009 in the IPO market will continue in 2010?
Yeah, I think that it will, although I'd sort of caveat that by saying that November looked really good, and December has looked a little bit less good overall. You've seen 6 IPOs withdrawn or postponed in November versus a total of 4, in December versus a total of 4 in November. You've also seen only 9 filed versus a total of 17 in November. So it looks like there's perhaps a little bit of a pause coming. But I think you'll see a lot more come in January, and it gets back to normal levels.
We haven't seen in the U.S. a social networking company go public yet. Do you think we'll see one this year? There's been talk of LinkedIn, maybe Facebook, Twitter.
Yeah, I think we'll see one. Whether it will be one of those, I'm not sure. I think it's actually more likely to be a company like Zynga, but I think we'll see one.